I'm going to show you how to clear these warning lights, replace the battery and reset the one-touch windows in your Tiguan. If you follow the steps in this video, you can certainly do this yourself. So let's get to it. You'll notice a bunch of wires on this one, but they won't be in yours. So you can just start by removing the negative terminal at the back and push it aside. Followed by the positive terminal. Now we'll remove the retaining bracket on the side. It's difficult to see with the sleeve in the way, but you'll get a clear view of it when we install the new battery. I'm going to remove these extra wires and then we can remove the old battery. With each battery install, we just give the terminals a clean with a metal wire brush. I'll post a link in the description how you can do this. This diesel model has a stop-start system, so we'll be installing a 70 amp hour AGM battery. Before we put the sleeve back, here's a better view of the retaining bracket. With enough patience, the sleeve can now go back over. You can also fit the sleeve before installing the battery, so see what works best for you. Then, very important, fit the positive first, so we're basically connecting them in the reverse order. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. And then connect the negative. Now when you start up, you might see a steering wheel warning light, as well as a stability control or traction control warning. To clear it, turn the steering wheel to full lock one side and full lock to the other side. This sets the steering angle sensor. Then to set the windows, press and hold the button past the second click and hold it down for another 3 seconds after the window is fully down. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each window. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.